Got to the track, getting the car unloaded. I parked on this side, the right side for once. I always park on the left. As I'm unloading the car, I'm like, why don't I ever park on the left? And it's because my door is over there. I like to park the car next to the door, but today I'm stupid, so that's not gonna happen. We're at the track. Just gotta get some heat in the car. They're prepping the track right now. So we're at the track. I don't know why there's still snow on the ground. It's like 50 out right now. Go run down to the car. BTR intake manifold, vararam intake, kooks 2-inch headers. I did the fuel lines myself. Fuel injector clinic, 60-pound injectors. BTR cam. Full interior. It's a 4LT car. Leather everything, leather dash, leather seats, heated seats. Car's a subwoofer in it. Amp. Still got my little window visor thingy in here. I did take the mufflers off. They've been off since I had to change the transmission. But I figure I'll just leave those off for the track. That's like almost 40 pounds. I will be putting skinnies on. Take the front runners off. Car has big front rotors, not the normal small base ones. We still have the sway bar, still attached and everything. See, still have the sway bar, still attached. Some people say 60-foot better without it, but I've done 1.3s with it on. I've done 1.40s with it all motor. Mighty Mouse catch can. Has trickflow 255 heads. They're unported. They're not milled. BTR valve springs. BTR Trinity rockers. On the stock LS3 rockers. The car's compression's around 11.7-to-1. Static and the dynamic like 7.4-to-1 because it's a blower cam, but it's obviously not supercharged. It's never going to be. We have a new cam at the house. DeWitt's full-size radiator. Still have wiper blades. Still has a hood. Navigation. You name it. It's not a race car. It's not gutted. It's not all cut up. Got the front wheels on. My China Stars. Heaviest skinnies I've ever seen. The air is a little updated now. So about 50 degrees. Negative 450-ish DA. And there's snow on the ground. If you're from the land of snow, tell me why there's still snow on the ground when it's 50 degrees. It's been 50 degrees the last 2 days. It snowed 3 days ago and there's still snow on the ground. I don't get it. Science. Tires are all aired down, they're all torqued, they're good to go. Just waiting for them to finish prepping the track and we're gonna go make some passes. Maybe I need to make some friends around this area. Been here for over 3 years now. I don't really know anyone because I've been deployed and gone 3 years I've been here. I'd like to have both cars at the track, but I only have one car trailer and my wife's at work. So I didn't have anyone to bring her car. It's cold, so you know there's gonna be a bunch of water in this. Gotta drain the catch can. 85 in the cold, you get a lot of like condensation will come in. Straight 85 condensation, that's all that is. First pass. I knew it wasn't gonna be anything crazy. See, full weight, Nothing taken out. I didn't change anything from the last video. I added a camera so it weighs more. .3 at 134 with a subwoofer, leather, everything. I still got that thing in here, and rags and stuff. But after looking over the log, the new transmission works a lot better than the old one. So it shifted about 4,000 RPM early, since this transmission doesn't need as much help to shift. This one shifts a lot faster, so it actually shifts when it's told to, instead of needing 6 years of lead time to get to shift. So I'm gonna raise the shifts up. That's about the only thing I really saw wrong with the tune, or wrong, different in the log. And then gotta figure out this converter. It's a 150 60 foot. Usually this car does like 140s, maybe 145. So gotta get that down. There you go. There's the DA. It's nothing crazy. The grains kind of suck, so that's not good. It was full weight, so now it's about 60 pounds lighter. These are 4LT seats, so they're heavy. So third pass, 60 foot's still not there. I still got about a tenth to gain in the 60. I just gotta figure it out. That's a new PB mile per hour. It's a little less than a tenth away from my PB overall ET, but that's definitely a new quarter mile per hour for this car, all motor. Gonna toss the Hoosiers on. They're a little smaller tire and they're a little lighter, so can't change a gear right now, but I can change a tire size. Got the Hoosiers on now. Like I said, it's about 25-inch tire. These are 26-inch tire, so this will give us a little quicker rollout on the 60 foot. I would say the tires definitely helped. I didn't even change the tune or anything. It just puts in that power band better. And the 60 foot, like I said, 60s usually low to mid 1.4s. I'll take it. I gotta find 100th somewhere, not even a 10th, 100th, that I'll be happy. If I can pick up anything else, that's awesome, but I want to pick up 100th. My PB is a 10.178, I think, and I just went 10.183, I don't remember. But yeah, I need to pick up 100 to have a new PB, ET and mile per hour. So we're gonna try to cool this thing down and see if I can find anything like 5,000ths, and I'll be happy. So I pulled the seat out, but still has the, normal driver seat in. Still has a heavy ass leather dash. New PB, ET, and we got a new mile per hour PB too today, so I'll take it. The D is positive now. I'll go get my air thingy, but I'm happy with it. We still have like half a tank of gas in the car. Well, back to back, it's consistent. Picked up a 1/4 mile per hour. So I played with the tune a little bit. It slowed down barely, but we were back to 137. So, I feel like that's all she got. I pulled a degree of timing and picked up 1/2 mile per hour. So it's pretty happy on timing. I just gotta get that 60 foot down. Just gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna sit here for a while, but I'm impatient, so it's really hard to just sit at the track, not doing anything, or not having anything to do. think this was my 8th or 9th pass today. We've gone 3 10-1-5s now. We got on 2 10-1-5s at 137 back to back. So I feel like that's all she got for now. Gonna have to do something to lighten this thing up, or maybe, who knows. Like I said earlier, I need a friend or something around here. Who wants to come hang out with me at private rentals? This is like the 3rd time I've left my camera down here recording. One day I'll figure out how to do all this by myself. So I'll make one pass with everything back in it just to see how much of a difference the weight makes. The weather's about the same. I've ran a few, 2 or 3 10-15 at 136, 137 passes. So now that I got the seat and the sub back in, I'm gonna go make another pass. And I'll record the whole thing because I'm sure someone out there is gonna think I pulled stuff out in between recording.